हाँ प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप? आज बच्चों हम कुछ और एप्लीकेशंस करने जा रहे हैं। स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ सीक्वेंस, एक्सरसाइज 9.4, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। फाइंड द sum to n terms of the sequence 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot 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 up to n terms. This is the question. Find the sum to n terms of this sequence. So in this sequence we have to find the nth term. Then taking the sigma of the nth term, we will find the sum to n terms of the sequence. The first term is 1 square. The second term is the sum of the two numbers 1 square and 2 square. Third is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, sum of the three numbers. Fourth will be 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Fifth will be 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. Hence nth will be Tn of this sequence will be 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus and so on up to n square. This will be the nth term of this sequence. And its value, we know that the sum of the square of the first n natural number is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. And after multiplications, we will get 1 by 6 into n square plus n into 2n plus 1. And that becomes 1 by 6 into 2 into n cube plus n square plus 2 into n square plus n. And therefore the nth term of this sequence 1 becomes 2n cube plus 3 into n square plus n. This is the nth term of this sequence. Now after taking the sigma of this Tn, we will get the required answer of this question. Now Tn is equal to 1 by 6, 2 into n cube plus 3 into n square plus n. Therefore, Sn will be equal to sigma Tn. That will be equal to sigma 1 by 6 into 2 into n cube plus 3 into n square plus n. And it becomes 1 by 6 into 2 into sigma n cube plus 3 into sigma n square plus sigma n. After putting the value of sigma n cube, we get 1 by 6 into 2 into n into n plus 1 upon 2 whole square. This is the value of the sigma n cube plus 3 into n into n plus 1 into n plus 2, 2n plus 1 upon 6. This is the value of sigma n square, and plus n into n plus 1 upon 2. This is the value of sigma n. After taking and cutting 3 by 6, that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 2, B will get common n into n plus 1 upon 2, n into n plus 1 upon 2, n into n plus 1 upon 2 from all these three numbers. Taking 1 by 6, n into n plus 1 upon 2 common, we get inside 2 into n into n plus 1 upon 2. This is the first, because we have taken n into n plus 1 upon 2 common, plus n into n plus 1 upon 2 common. Therefore, here we have 2n plus 1 and plus 1. After taking n into n plus 1 upon 2 common, we will get this. Cutting, we get n into n plus 1 upon 12 into n square plus n plus 2n plus 1 plus 1, and that is n into n plus 1 into n square plus 3n plus 2. Upon double. And we can also make the factor of this. The factor of this will become 2 1 2, that will be n plus 2 into n plus 1. Hence, the answer will be n into n plus 1 ka square into n plus 2 upon 12. That's all. Now question number 6, exercise 9.4, very important question for examination point of view. Find the sum to n terms of this sequence 3 into 8 plus 6 into 11 plus 9 into 14 plus and so on. If we multiply these numbers with each other, then we will get a sequence, and that will not in AP and not in a GP. Hence, it is a special type of sequence whose SN is required. So first of all, let us find the nth term of the sequence. The nth term of the sequence will contain two numbers, two terms. First 3, 6 and 9. This is and so on. First numbers, they are in AP. And second number 8, 11 and 14, they are also in AP. Therefore, the nth term of this whole sequence will be Tn will be equal to nth term of AP 3, 6, 9, multiplied by nth term of AP 8, 11, 14, dash. Nth term of first AP is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into d is also 3, and into nth term of second AP will be equal to 8 plus n minus 1 into 3, because in this case also common difference is 3. That it becomes 3n minus 3 multiplied by 8 plus 3n minus 3. Therefore, it is 3n into 3n plus 5. Hence, it becomes 9n square plus 15n. This will be the nth term of this sequence. Now, taking the sigma of Tn, we will get the value of Sn for this question. Now Tn is equal to 9n square plus 15n. Therefore, Sn is equal to sigma Tn is equal to sigma 9n square plus 15n. That is equal to 9 into sigma n square plus 15 into sigma n. 9 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6 plus 15 into n plus 1 upon 2. This can be cut by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. And now taking n into n plus 1 upon 2 common from these two, n into n plus 1 upon 2 common, we get 3 into 2n plus 1 n plus 15. 15 here and n into n plus 1 upon 2 common, we get 3 into 2n plus 1 plus 15. Therefore, it becomes n into n plus 1 upon 2 into 6n plus 3 plus 15, and answer will be equal to n into n plus 1 into 6n plus 18 upon 2. Taking 6 common, we are dividing 6n plus 18 by 2, we get the answer, and that is equal to n into n plus 1 into 3n plus 9, and that is the answer of this question. You can take n also common from this, and answer will be equal to n into n plus 1, 3 outside, into n plus 3. That will be the answer of this question. That's all.